Hi everybody, so as you can see I've got a huge box here. This is gaming chair Cougar Armor Black, and I want to show you a real quick unboxing and how to assemble this chair. And I also tell you who this chair would fit perfectly. It's not a sponsored video, I bought it myself, so let's get started. Next we need to put all these parts together. We got a bunch of screws, bolts and washers here, and it comes with this Phillips/hex key, so you don't need any extra tools. Okay, so I'm just gonna follow this manual. The whole process is pretty simple. These casters have soft rubber treads that provide excellent floor protection and a smooth, quiet roll. This part of the chair is quite heavy, that's because the entire frame is made of steel. When full assembled it weighs about 50 pounds. So, here's the final result. This chair looks absolutely fantastic. Even though it's a cheap gaming chair, which costs $290, the build quality is very impressive. This is nice and soft breathable PVC leather, and you also get these adjustable pillows for your neck and lumbar back support, which help you to keep a good posture. Before I bought this chair, I tried out a few gaming chairs from different brands, but none of them could provide such a level of comfort and back support as this one. So if you have a desk job and spend most of your time sitting, then I'd highly recommend this particular model. I am 6 feet 2, 190 pounds, and as you can see I have plenty of room for my butt here. But this chair is definitely not for big people, just for average body type. And there's no problems with the head support either. Even if I was a couple of inches higher, that still wouldn't be a problem. The armrests are absolutely awesome. They're coated with a soft touch PU rubber and are fully adjustable in 4 directions. You can angle them outward and inward, and you can go up and down, backward and forward, left and right. They're a bit loosey-goosey, but that's what you pay for a bunch of adjustments. So, this lever on the right side allows you to adjust the angle of the back to a desired position. You can easily adjust the height by pulling up on this lever. If you pull the same lever out, it will release the tilt mechanism. And there's also a tilt tension adjustment knob underneath the seat. Alright guys, so to sum up, it's pretty comfortable, stylish looking chair with a bunch of adjustments and anatomical lumbar and neck support. But like I said, it's a relatively cheap chair and I don't know how long it's going to last.